I am Jennifer with A Perfect Fit Alterations. We are located in Burleson, Texas, and our phone number is 817-447-3522. Now, we have finished our petcoat, demonstrating quite a bit of back stitching where we needed to, and we're going to make a scarf so that we match our little dog. I have taken the pattern pieces and we have cut out 2 pieces that we're going to sew together to make our scarf. Take the pins out. Now we've cut 2 separate pieces here, and we've cut them in 2 different colors so that we'll match our pet. I've put right sides together, put the ends together like this, and you're going to sew just a little bit into the fabric. We're going to do our 3 stitches, and then we're going to back stitch. You want to back stitch here on the ends because there's going to be stress here on the ends, and remember how important it is to do the back stitching. Sew all the way across. When you get to the middle, do a quick back stitch. Make sure your stitches are getting locked in. And then you're going to go ahead and sew to the end. And back stitch when you get to the end. And lock those stitches into place.